Hey guys, new tags have been added to the Pharos Season 2, and in this video I'll be showing you how to complete them. If you haven't joined the Pharos Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. For the How To tags, click the Earn button and it will take you to the How To tab. But first you need test tokens on How To Testnet. To do that, visit the How To Discord. You find the link to the Discord in the description. In the How To Discord, visit the Pharos channel in the faucet section and use the command /faucets. So here you can see the suggestion, click on it and it will also complete the command. The next thing to do here is to paste your address. So paste your wallet address here and hit enter. So now you will claim some USDC on Pharos Testnet. You can claim test tokens once every 24 hours. So once you have enough test tokens, the two sections you'll be interested in are the savings and the stablecoin. So for the stablecoin section, you'll be performing swaps, while for the savings, you'll be staking to earn some yield. So to swap, click swap here in the stablecoin section. Make sure you connect your wallet to Pharos Testnet. To do that, click connect wallet, select your preferred wallet, and accept the request in your wallet. Once your wallet is connected, make sure you are on Pharos Testnet. To do that, click the network icon at the top right of your screen and make sure Pharos Testnet is selected. You can also select a network by clicking the network icon in the swap box here and make sure Pharos is selected. Once you've connected to Pharos Testnet, you can start swapping USDC for out to USD. So to swap, enter the amount of USDC you want to swap, click buy and approve the request in your wallet. So now the transaction has been submitted. You only earn points for the first 91 swaps that you make here. For the earn tax, click earn. On the savings section, click earn. And here you'll be staking your out to USD for S out to USD. So enter the amount of out to USD you want to stake. Click swap. If this is your first time, you may see an approval request to approve the tokens in your wallet. Just accept the request. So here, accept the request in your wallet and you've successfully staked your out to USD. So repeat this up to 91 times to earn maximum points. The next task is the Spout quest. To complete that, click trade. So here you land on the Spout Finance app. The next thing to do is to connect your wallet. Click connect wallet and select your preferred wallet. Make sure your network is on Pharos Testnet. Accept the connection request in your wallet. Once your wallet is connected to Pharos Testnet, the next thing to do is to complete your KYC. So here you see the option to complete a verification. Just click complete profile, click deploy identity, and accept the request in your wallet. Next, click get KYC signature, click add verification claim, and accept the request in your wallet. Once your verification is complete, click claim USDC and it will take you to Zenith Swap. So all you have to do here is to get some USDC if you don't have any in your wallet. You can do that by swapping your Pharos token to USDC. You select USD coin, that amount of token you want to swap. In this case, I'll be swapping my Pharos token. Click swap, click confirm swap, and sign the transaction in your wallet. You can also swap to USDC on Pharos Swap. To do that, go back to your Pharos dashboard, click the Season 1 tab, and in the swap section, under Pharos Swap, click swap. Just like we did on Zenith, you swap any token you have to USDC. So select USDC here. For this case, I'll be swapping some Pharos. Enter the amount of Pharos you want to swap. Click review swap, confirm swap, and accept the request in your wallet. The idea is you need some USDC to swap on Spout Finance. So you can use Pharos Swap or Zenith Swap. Once you've got some USDC in your wallet, go back to Spout Finance, click trade. You scroll down. Now here you can buy or sell SLQD. To buy SLQD, make sure you are on the buy tab. Enter the amount of USDC you want to buy with. Scroll, click buy SLQD, approve the token, and next sign the transaction request in your wallet. Transaction is complete. You can close this. It may take a few minutes for the SLQD to arrive in your wallet. So for this tax, you need to repeat transactions 91 times to earn the maximum points. The next tax is the Bitverse tax. To complete the Bitverse tax, click Trade. On Bitverse, click Connect Wallets, select your preferred wallet, and accept the connection request in your wallet. Make sure you're connected to Pharos Testnet. The next thing to do is to deposit some USDT to your account. To do that, click Deposit and enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. If you don't have USDT, you can use Pharos or Zenith Swap to swap some tokens for USDT. Click Recharge. To get an approval request, sign the approval request and accept the transaction to deposit the USDT to your account. You may need to wait for a few minutes for the USDT to reflect in your balance. So once you can see your USDT reflecting in your balance, you can start longing or shorting. So to long, make sure you're on the long tab. You can select any market you want to trade in. In this case, I'll stick to BTC here. Enter the amount of USD you want to trade with. You can select your leverage. You can select take profit or stop loss. Click long and accept the request in your wallet. So that's it. To short, click short. The amount of USD you want to trade with. Click short and accept the request in your wallet. You can repeat this up to 91 times to earn maximum points for this quest. Once your total transactions, whether you're longing or shorting, reaches 91, any further transactions won't earn you any more points for this quest. The next tax is the lend and borrow tax. So to complete that, click supply. Once you land on OpenFi, click connect wallets, select your preferred wallet, and make sure you are connecting to Pharos Testnet. So once you're connected to Pharos Testnet, you can supply and borrow your assets. Here you can see the assets that you can supply. So here you see the balance for each of the assets that you have. So whichever one you have, you can supply. For example, I can supply some USDC. I click supply, enter the amount of USDC I want to supply. I click approve. If this is your first time of interacting with the token, here you will see an approval request. So accept the approval request in your wallet. So this second request is to approve the supply of USDC. So I accept it. So once you've supplied some assets, you can borrow other assets. So here you can see the assets to borrow, and here you can see how much of these assets you can borrow. In this case, I'll be borrowing wrapped Pharos token. So I click borrow, I enter the amount of the Pharos token I want to borrow, I click borrow, and I accept the request in my wallet. So you need a total of 91 transactions to earn the maximum points for this quest. And this 91 is inclusive of your supply and borrows. In case you don't know how to complete some of these older tasks, I'll show you how to do that. To send via social media account, click send. So you will land on Primus Labs, click connect wallets, select your preferred wallet, and accept the connection request. Make sure you're on Pharos Testnet and select your network from the drop-down menu and make sure Pharos is selected. Next thing to do is to look for someone's username on Twitter and send some tokens to them. So first, enter the amount of Pharos tokens you want to send to the user. Paste the user's Twitter username, click send now, and accept the request in your wallet. It doesn't matter if the user is on Primus Labs. If the user isn't on Primus Labs, if they create an account, they will receive the Pharos tokens. If they don't, after 30 days, the tokens will be returned to you. But whatever the case, it has counted as a transaction for you. For the Primus Labs tax, you can earn points for up to 91 transactions. To complete the Aquaflux tax, click deposit, click connect wallets, select your preferred wallets, and accept the connection request. Accept the signature request, and now you should be connected to the Pharos Testnet. So scroll and click let's dive in. You can choose anyone you like, click split, and accept the signature request. So here you can also decide to craft your first combo. Click craft strategy, click confirm and craft, and accept the request in your wallet. Next, click claim rewards. So you can only do this once. I've already claimed my reward once, so I don't have enough tokens to claim. But if this is your first time, you'll be able to click claim NFT and accept the request in your wallet to claim your reward. So that's it about the Aquaflux quest. You only need to do this once to earn the maximum points for the quest. For the staking tags, click stake. So once you land on auto staking, click connect wallets, select your preferred wallet, and accept the connection requests. Make sure you're connected to Pharos Testnet. Next thing to do is to claim tokens from the faucet. So click the faucet icon here and click claim and accept the request in your wallet. So to stake, look for the AI advisor tab and click the AI button. Click apply and wait for the request to pop up in your wallet. It may take a few seconds, so be patient. So this is the first request. Accept the request in your wallet. So accept all the requests that pop up in your wallet. Second one, accept the request, accept. So once you've accepted all the requests in your wallet, wait for it to complete. So here you can see that it's completed. So this is one transaction. You need to make up to 91 transactions to get the maximum points. For the Brokex tax, click trade. To connect your wallet, click this icon at the bottom left and select your preferred wallet. Accept the connection request in your wallet and make sure you're connected to Pharos Testnet. Here you can also make up to 91 transactions to earn your maximum points. You can claim test tokens from the Brokex faucet by clicking the faucet icon here. So here you can connect your wallet by clicking connect wallet and click claim now. Accept the request in your wallet and you have claimed some tokens. So you can go back to Brokex to trade. So I prefer the LP token transactions. To do that, click this icon. Here you can either convert or revert. You can enter the amount of USDC you want to deposit or leave the pre-filled amount here. Click join the pool and accept the request in your wallet. So now you've deposited some tokens to the pool. You can revert to withdraw your tokens from the pool. Click revert, click withdraw from pool and accept the request in your wallet. An easy way to check your progress is by visiting pharoshub.xyz. You'll find the link in the description. Paste your wallet address, click check statistics, and you can switch between season 2 and season 1 tax. The good thing is that you can still earn points for season 1 tax. So if you haven't completed the required amount of transactions for the tax, you can do them to earn some points. So for the season 2 tax, you can see how many of them you've completed and whether you've maxed them out. These statistics update every hour. So you have to wait for 1 hour after completing your quest to refresh the stats check. So that's it about the Pharos Testnet season 2 quest for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You'll find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Pharos Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. Check out the bonus section of this video description for some of the testnets you can join. So keep completing your Pharos Testnet tax. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.